I am talking to you now about something that I'm very passionate about and I'm super excited. I shared it with you last week. We're talking about our next group cruise. I already talked to you about the Icon of the Seas coming to Galveston, the first time that the largest cruise ships in the world will actually port out of Galveston. That's exciting. That's happening next November. Here's our next group cruise. I talked to you about coffee beans and high seas. Okay. So I want to pivot right now, family, from the breaking news to this massive exclusive opportunity for our Right Recipe for Travel community. I am officially giving you the very first taste of our brand new and highly anticipated group cruise for next year. And it's unlike anything that's out there in the cruise industry. And I have that from the cruise industry themselves. I'm going to tell you about it. Just this week, I got off the phone with my celebrity business development manager. As you know, I am a travel advisor and a good one. So if you need travel, it doesn't have to be a cruise, anything, um, let me know. Drop me a DM, drop me a message. But I was talking to my business development manager. They help us do better, learn the task, learn the trade about this. And when I pitched her my vision for this sailing, she stopped in her tracks. She told me in all my years working with celebrity cruise lines, I have never seen or heard of a concept like this. I think it's brilliant, Cynthia. She was excited. She got so excited that she is working directly with corporate to help us secure space on one of the most stunning award-winning ships in the world. I'm talking to you about the Celebrity Beyond. And this sailing will begin May 29th of 2027. So we have time to get this paid for and get this book. Now, this exclusive group is called Coffee Beans and High Seas. We've talked about it. I actually asked you for your input on it. What kind of group cruise would you like? And it's built entirely around an intentional and healthier and deeply vibrant lifestyle. This group is specifically for three different types of traveler: the sober conscious traveler or the teetotaler. So if you love the cruise vacation lifestyle, but you're tired of the heavy drinking culture, it's like you can't have a good time without some kind of alcohol being in your mouth, which is not true. This is your sanctuary. We are partnering with celebrities, incredible mixologists, to host exclusive zero proof cocktail events showing off the finest upscale mocktails at sea. And they are looking to create something special just for us. Come on now. Aren't you special? I know I am. This is especially for my special people. And if you're a tea drinker, because I have some in my family, they don't like coffee. I know. And you have that right. So maybe you enjoy teas. And we have like the finest leaves, the finest brewing. I don't know that much about how teas are created, but they're going to teach us. So that's one. Now, if you are a coffee and tea enthusiast, if you care about the beans, the roast, the brew method, and the perfect leaf, we're going to dive deep. Okay, we're going to be exploring specialty coffees, tea culture, sharing tastings, and just geeking out over the perfect pour. Oh, that gives me goosebumps. That idea is perfect. I just think it's that's right up my alley. And then the everyday wellness seeker. This is for those who love a healthier lifestyle, starting mornings with fresh ocean air, enjoying like world-class spa facilities, eating clean, vibrant food, and connecting with a community of other people who are like-minded and want the same thing. You want to wake up feeling refreshed every single day of your vacation. And doing this on the Celebrity Beyond, it couldn't be a more perfect fit. This ship is the absolute pinnacle of modern luxury, from the breathtaking magic carpet to the wellness focused blue restaurant and the gorgeous wellness spaces. It's designed from top to bottom to satisfy the sophisticated traveler. I know that's you. It's the ultimate backdrop for our community to come together. And I am going to get on one of these ships. When I talked to my BDM and I told her that I had never been on Celebrity, she's like, you need to fix that. You need to change that. And she dropped some incredible pricing so that I can do that very thing. So I'm about to get on a celebrity ship like incredibly soon. It's happening quicker than I even knew. And that's how things they always just work out for me. That's how it happens. So I'm going to get on this vessel or another celebrity vessel and give you a preview and a taste, and look for my videos coming out because I'm going to show it to you. I'm trying to paint the vision just by talking to you, but I'm going to show you what the Celebrity Beyond has to offer. Okay, so because the cruise line is so excited about this, they're opening up the official priority waiting list tonight. You can get started tonight. If this sounds like something that you would love to do, I would love to share this with you. I would love to have you. And you're my cruise traveling family. Let's meet. Let's have fun. Let's do this together. Let's start something special, right? So listen to me closely. Spaces for our exclusive onboard events, tastings, and private mixers are strictly limited by the cruise lines. So they're going to shut down venues and open up venues strictly for us. So if you want to secure your spot in this historic group before it opens up to the public, the time to act is right now. We have a limited number of cabins. To get your name on the wait list and secure your cabin, it's just $50. 50. Take 5 tens, put them together, and call me. We'll put them on your credit card and call me. $50, not per person, per cabin. I know you got $50, and if you don't, ask a friend. Get this secured, and then it's out of your hair. You don't have to think about it until next year sometimes. $50, and that 50 is non-refundable. So listen to me, because I'm not going to lie to you. If you decide that this is a good thing, and it is, and you call and I get you all booked and you put your $50 down, and then you decide instead you want to go to Bermuda, you're going to go minus $50 because the $50 is non-refundable. So, but it's not a big investment. Like, let's say something changes or whatever and you can't go. $50 is not a large investment that you would feel like, oh my gosh. But 50 will secure your spot. 50. I need you to do this. Contact me. I have all different kind of ways to be contacted. You can hit me up here in the chat, give me your email address. You can go to our community at Right Recipe for Travel. You can respond on the chat, any kind of way. You need to do this and get this done now. But it does lock in your spot so that the moment our group block officially opens, you get first choice. You'll have first choice of the best staterooms, the best views, and guaranteed entry into all of the exclusive just for us events. Okay. So don't wait on this. This is going to sell out fast. I'm excited because there is a massive community of us looking exactly for this kind of vacation experience. So drop a comment right now. I want you to say coffee. Drop it. Even if you don't like coffee and you're a teetotaler, drop the comment coffee right now in the chat. And let me know that you plan to be at my group cruise. This is going to be so much fun. Let me know. All right. All right. Exclusively for us. She's setting stuff aside. Don't you love feeling exclusive when it's just for you, when you get that special treatment, when there's a group of people all lining up and you come up and they open a side gate just for you, or they pull back the curtain just for you? That's the kind of treatment we're getting at this cruise. So thank you. I love it. All right. That's really it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you want much more detailed information, it's going to be down in the description below, and that is also where you can fill out the interest form to get on the list with your $50 per cabin deposit. This is a 7-night sailing out of Miami, Florida, leaving on May 29th of 2027. I would love to have you there, and I know so many other like-minded travelers will enjoy this cruise to the max. So check out the description below. Please do not forget to smash down on the like button, give us a thumbs up. That helps the channel out a whole bunch and it costs you absolutely nothing. And if you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as part of the Right Recipe for Travel family. More information will continue to come. We look forward to having you aboard our amazing group cruise. Thank you, and we'll catch you at the next adventure. And please do enjoy some of the beauty of the Celebrity Beyond.